Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 3-pound pair trades. Today's December the 8th. Now the first one, the pound CAD, I took yesterday right around this time. And the other two trades were this morning at 7:17. So this trade went against me, but I knew that the overall trend was down, and it was a great way to trade. Well, at least it was lining up to be that. So I ended up taking the trade. Let's see where I got in at. Now in real time, this candle, when I pulled the trigger, it was red, but by the time it closed, then it turned blue. I knew I had the right trend direction, but I just had to weather this pullback. And then I had my take profit locked in here, which it hit right here. Let's see where I got in at. Sold it at this cursor, and I closed it out here with looks like about 16 pips. And 16 pips on the pound CAD paid $1,171. Now on the smaller time frame, this candle, as it was working its way down, everything down at the bottom was red. But of course, things can change, especially with these pound pairs. And so it went back up to the goal line. And once I saw that the candles finally turned red here, I knew that it was going to give me a chance to close the trade. Actually, it did continue to go down another 47 pips. But that's the way trading goes, and once you're in the trade, remember you have to have trade management. And this is very advanced trading, and it's difficult to say the least. But once you master this, along with the flow of the market, which is what I teach, you can get out of trades as such. Remember, you have to have trade management and money management in order, and the psychological part is the biggest killer of 95% of the traders out there who are failing. You have to get those three things in order, or you'll never find success. So moving right along to the next pair here, pound Aussie. Let's just drag and drop it up. This trade, like the pound CAD, they're both a great way to trade, as you can see, using the moving averages and the indicators down at the bottom. Everything was good to go. I took the trade at this cursor here, and I closed it out, other than no particular reason other than I was happy. And it looks like I closed it out with 28 pips. And 28 pips on the pound Aussie paid $4,153. And this is why you have to pay attention to your trading and stay in front of the computer, because the market can move exactly like this. Look at this huge move going back up. It's almost 120 pips. And today there's absolutely no high impact news. So don't know why that happened. Did happen at, it was only 8:15. So something's going on over in Europe's. But according to the calendar at Forex Factory, nothing was registered. Another very good reason why you should be keeping your eye on the calendar at Forex Factory. Well, it's the one I use. You can use any website for your calendar, but that's the one, like I said, I've been using since I started trading. And remember, always keep an eye on the meter, because when I was selling, the pound was right down at the bottom. See how quickly it can change and reverse. So moving right along to the pound New Zealand, let's run a check on that one. Drag and drop it up. It's another one that is a great way to trade. Waiting for the pullback. I wasn't in front of the computer, like I didn't see it at this time, but there's your trigger, and I was a little bit late, around 4 pips late. So I took the trade, got in the trade right at that cursor, and I closed it out in time. And that one right there looks like around 50 pips for sure. 50 pips on the pound New Zealand, paid $7,176. So this morning, for a very short period of time, trading time, I was in and out before 8:30 in the morning. Let's see, 8:29 here. And the pip total was 94 pips, and I ended up with $12,270. My goal that I try to get every day is around 50 pips, and of course everything above 50 pips, I would just call that a bonus. I just wanted to show you, since November the 27th, there's been 8 trading days, and my totals for 8 trading days, there's been 28 trades I put in. As you can see, almost all are winners except for this one right here. So as I've said many times, you have to have trade management in order, and of course money management. So 28 trades with 1 loser, and once you can get your trading to this level, then you can just add more lots, and then you can get your trading account to start growing quite quickly. Now, out of these 28 trades in 8 trading days, my grand total was $52,537. And keep in mind that once you leave the trade that goes past 5 p.m. New York time, you have to pay swap rates. And the thing that I really like about GCI Financial, that's why I went with them. One of the reasons is at the end of the month, each and every month, this is November the 30th, they pay interest on your money. And they pay a higher rate of interest than what the banks are paying. So, excellent bonus, to say the least. You can get a lot more information about GCI Financial if you look right below this video in the description. There's a write-up in there. It's a broker of my choice, and of course with an 800 number that you can call and ask questions. And presently they're giving a 50% bonus with the money that you send to them. That 50% bonus is if you give 10,000 or more, and under 10,000 they'll give 25% bonus. The write-up is right below this video. So, moving right along, if your trading is not producing fantastic results like my HA trigger system, just to let you know, the HA trigger system is exactly the same as the Pro trigger system. The only difference is I've taken the HA bars from the bottom and I put the HA candles at the top. So you traders who struggle with Japanese candlesticks, this is a very good second choice. Concept is easy. Red we're selling and blue we're buying. But everything else is 100% exactly the same as the Pro trigger. I like them both. They both produce the same results, and those are the 2 out of my top 4 favorite trigger systems. Now if you look right down at the bottom here, you'll get some more information, and like this, it's my HA trigger system. I do charge $250 for, And it is an advanced Heiken-Ashi trigger system that comes with 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, which represents a lot of education for you. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways to trade in these 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. My number one way of trading, which is the way I traded today, is a great way to trade. Very high success rate, and that's exactly what I look for every day. Now in many of the videos, if not all of them, there's a lot of advanced training, tips and tricks. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries, how to stay in the trade for more pips. Also teach how to trade at the right hand edge. Also teach how to trade the higher time frames. Also how to trade the HA trigger version number 2. Now in all the videos you're going to see a lot of great trade setups. I also teach how to back test the HA trigger, which I still do every weekend, on average up to 8 hours. And those 8 hours, like on a Saturday or Sunday, will be like trading for 6 months, you know, with many trades, hundreds of trades if you want. You can actually see right at the right edge what to look for. Also teach how to scan the market, how to trade the all 3 sessions, and of course this London close. Now I also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals. Also teach how to trade the goal line. As you can see, always a lot of opportunities around the goal line. Also teach how to trade the news, more difficult but can be done. And also teach how to trade with a day job. Now if you have any questions, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And if you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, and give you some tips and tricks that sure should help your trading. Remember, that is for free. Now over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you'll see 28 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.